All right, we're going to find the roots. We're going to find the zeros, however you want to say it, on a quadratic formula. This is a simple one. This is where a equals 1. By that I mean there's nothing in front of the squared term. If you look at this equation, x squared plus 7x plus 6 equals 0, there's nothing in front of the x squared. So factoring for this is simple. All right. We're going to find on this one all the things that multiply together to give us 6. All right. And it's a guaranteed that one of those pairs on this problem are going to add together to give us a 7. All right. So for this one, a positive 6, we've got 6 times 1. We've got negative 6 times negative 1. We've got 3 times 2. Negative 3 times negative 2. And that's it. All right. One of these sets is going to add together to give us the b term, which is 7. For this one, it's going to be 6 and 1. All right. So we write this out. We bring down the x term. We put them in a pair of binomials. That's going to be plus 6 plus 1. All right. That's x squared plus 7x plus 6 factored out. Now to find the zeros, we have to set both of these to 0 and solve. X plus 6 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. That means x is going to equal negative 6 and x is going to equal negative 1. The roots and the zeros say that this quadratic form, this parabola for this quadratic function will go through the negative 1 point and the negative 6 point, right? We don't know exactly what it looks like at this point. Maybe it looks a little something like that, but negative 6 and negative 1 are the zeros or the roots. All right, we're going to try a second one. All right, like on the other videos, I would suggest if you're having a little bit of trouble with this to write down the question, you try to solve it, and just don't watch me do it. You learn math's the one subject that you have to practice. So this one is x squared minus x minus 12. All right, equals 0. And again, we're trying to find the roots. We're trying to find the zeros. All right, for this, we're going to write down everything that multiplies together to give us negative 12. All right, so for this, I get negative 12, 1, 12, negative 1. Let's see, negative 6, 2, 6, negative 2, 4. Let's make that negative 4, 3, and 4, negative 3. All right, one of those sets is going to multiply or add together to give us a negative 1. All right, obviously it's not the first one. We have to go all the way down to this set, negative 4 and 3. If you add those together, you get negative 1. So that's the ones we're looking for. So our two binomials are going to be x minus 4, x plus 3. All right. Now to find the roots or the zeros to this, we set both of these to 0. X minus 4 equals 0. X plus 3 equals 0. We solve, we get x equals 4. We get x equals negative 3. So the roots to these are going to be at negative 3 and 4. And our parabola is going to look a little something like this. Maybe with just a little better artwork. All right. I suggest that if you need to, you give these videos another try. This is, again, this is just for the a equals 1. All right? There's nothing in front of the x squared.